Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to prevent search engine from storing a cache copy of website page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add code in .htaccess file and you can add this code in WordPress or PHP website. So we are in .htaccess. Now paste, we edit header set x report tag no archive, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So click on save changes. Now saving .htaccess and then you see success message. Go to website page and refresh the page. Then right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see network. So click on it and then press Ctrl R. Now scroll up. So this is our domain. Now click on it and then we are in address section and then you see response header. Then scroll down, you see x report tag no archive we added. So we are going to prevent cache copy of website pages and you can add this code in WordPress or PHP website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.